Albert Einstein, born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, was a preeminent physicist and one of the most influential figures of the 20th century. His groundbreaking theories transformed our understanding of the universe and paved the way for modern physics. Einstein's early life was marked by intellectual curiosity and an unconventional spirit. He struggled with formal education and clashed with authority figures, but he excelled in subjects that captivated his interest. In 1905, often referred to as his miracle year, he published four groundbreaking papers that revolutionized physics. One of these papers introduced the theory of special relativity, which challenged the conventional notions of space and time. Einstein postulated that the speed of light is constant, and that the laws of physics are the same for all observers, regardless of their relative motion. This theory had profound implications for our understanding of the universe's fundamental principles. In 1915, Einstein presented his theory of general relativity, a more comprehensive framework that explained gravity as the curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. This theory was confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919, when the bending of light around the sun was observed, validating Einstein's predictions and catapulting him to international fame. Einstein's work extended beyond theoretical physics. In 1905, he also published a paper on the photoelectric effect, which laid the foundation for the quantum theory of light, and earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. His contributions to quantum mechanics were complex, and sometimes at odds with prevailing theories, leading to the famous quote, "God does not play dice with the universe." Fleeing Nazi persecution, Einstein emigrated to the United States in 1933, where he accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. He spent the latter part of his life there, working on unifying the forces of nature and searching for a unified field theory. Despite his efforts, this goal remained elusive. Einstein's fame transcended academia, making him a global symbol of intellectual prowess and moral integrity. He was an advocate for civil rights, pacifism, and the responsible use of scientific knowledge. During World War II, he signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, alerting him to the potential of nuclear weapons and the need for research into atomic energy. Einstein's personal life was marked by complexities as well. He married Mileva Merrick in 1903, and they had 2 sons. But their marriage faced difficulties and eventually ended in divorce. Einstein later married his cousin, Elsa Lewenthal, in 1919. In the latter part of his life, Einstein continued his pursuit of a unified theory while also engaging in philosophical discussions about the nature of reality. Despite his prominence, he remained humble and often expressed wonder at the mysteries of the universe. On April 18, 1955, Einstein passed away at the age of 76. His legacy endures through his scientific contributions, which continue to shape modern physics and our understanding of the cosmos. He remains an inspiration to generations of scientists, thinkers, and those who appreciate the power of imagination and the quest for knowledge. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel or like, comment, and share.